Hi, this is Andrew. Now, today, a lot of people, because of the pandemic situation, everybody just want to bring their business online. So one of the things that they do is to start an online web store. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you what are the important things that should be inside your online web store. So if you're thinking of building your web store or renovating or improving your web store, then this video is for you. All right, number one, in today's e-commerce market, especially like in Malaysia, there are over 70% of the consumer are using the mobile to access their social media. So if you are advertised on the social media, for example, Instagram or Facebook, because they are using the mobile to access the social media, when they see your ads, when they click, so you bring them to your web store in a mobile look. So the first thing is that you have to be simple and professional. Now, when I say simple and professional, you don't want to have those fancy flash things fly here and then it will be just like confusing. And also because it's a mobile and a lot of time it is using mobile data. So sometimes it is slow, then this thing won't come out and it will take a long time to load. So the consumer at the end, your potential customer will just go away. So the rules number one is always be simple and professional. Professional doesn't mean that it cannot be funny because it depends on what you sell, right? So it's just that you got to be neat. And you must remember in mobile, it's so small, okay? And you don't put too many things in there and it kinds of become very messy. So make it very simple. Now, second thing is, since you know that 70% are using mobile to access your web store, then you have to be a responsive website. Now, what is a responsive website? A responsive website meaning that it can self-adjust itself according to the size of your device. For example, if I access through a computer desktop, it will show me this type of look. Now, if I use a tablet or iPad, right, to access your web store, then you will have a different types of look. And if I use mobile, it will change it to the mobile look. So that is what we call a responsive website. If your web store is not optimized for responsive, meaning that if you just build for a desktop, when it comes to the mobile, it will be very small. So some people can't even read it. Let's say if you are targeting people over 40 years old, they may not be able to read. It's too small. So at the end, they feel it's too difficult to see. Then they will go away from your web store. The third things, videos. Videos are important to show your consumer how to use your products. Now, unless you're selling like vegetables, fruits, it's so straightforward. People know that this is an apple and this is a pen. No, not pen, pineapple, so sorry. So this is an apple and this is some vegetables. It's so straightforward, then that's fine. But if you're selling something, for example, a gadgets, things that people may not, I mean, they have a look of it, yeah, may not know all the functions. So that is where the videos come in. So the videos, if I can show them how the many ways that I can use the product, then that's better because it gives the idea to your potential customers that, hey, maybe I can use this to do this. I can use this to do that. So the more ideas they have, the chances of they buying are higher. So videos are getting more and more important today, especially when the data cost comes down and especially when the speed goes up. Okay, hopefully when 5G coming, then it'll be faster and people will click then just video. So invest in building videos and show them how to use your product. Then your conversion will go up. Number four, your web store should be easy to navigate. Now, first thing, when you want a web store, you must think like your potential customers. So when they go into your website or web store, how would they behave? First thing, you're going to scroll, okay? Now, if you have like 100 over products on one page, and then your bestseller is at the bottom, they were going to scroll like so long until they can see your products. And then at the end, they don't buy. So you must know how to put the right categories at which section. So the navigation of your web store has to be good. And do not put like 100 over products in just like one page, because it's so difficult for them to find the products that they want. So the best way is to have different categories if you have a lot of products. Now, if you have only one product, then there's no problem with that. Okay, number 15, you must have simple and fast checkout process. You must understand your market. Let's say, for example, Malaysian market. People loves to pay by FPX. So it's good that you have these FPX functions so that it's easy for them to check out. Yeah. Now, people also like to do bank transfer. So can your checkout do bank transfer as well? The most important thing that even, yeah, I'm a vendor, I'm selling my stuff, but I got to do a little bit more job so that my customer is easy. Then I will do that to make sure their job is easy so that they can pay faster. Then they become our customer faster. So simple and fast checkout process is very important. These are the 5 things that at least it should be in your e-commerce web store if you are building one right now. Yeah. The first thing is simple and professional. Second, it has to be responsive, optimized. Third is you need to add videos to show how to use your products. Fourth, easy navigation. Fifth, simple and fast checkout process for your customers. Now, if you have any question regarding on building a web store for your e-commerce business, do leave your comments right below so that we can help you to answer your question so that you'll be able to grow your e-commerce business. Now, meanwhile, if you're not clear what you're going to do for your e-commerce business, so there's a link right below that you can book a brainstorming session. Yeah, this session will be like one-to-one, you and me. We will discuss what you're going to do. Then I'll give you some suggestion so that you know after these strategy sessions, what are you going to do? Maybe like step 1, step 2, step 3, so that you can kickstart your e-commerce business. So if you're interested to do that, just go right below, click on the link and book a session with me. And by the way, it's going to just for you guys, my followers, and it's free of charge. All right. Now, I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, you like the content, please help me to share with your friends so that more people can benefit from it. And at the same time, I would appreciate a like from you. Now, in this channel, I share weekly business tips to help you grow your business online. So if you are a small business owner or entrepreneurs who would like to learn how to grow your business online, do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new videos, you will be notified. And meanwhile, you can watch some of this video right above here. That will help you grow your business online. And this is Andrew. I will see you in my next video.